Oh shit, today's session was absolutely insane. We had some of the craziest wins. We ran community cases. We went all in with community cases. Today's session is definitely a banger. As well, guys, we have a 3.5 thousand gem weekly wager contest. If you do want to support me, code Hydra, okay? And thank you to everyone supporting. There might also be a knife giveaway, so watch to the end. Enjoy. All right, guys, welcome back into a brand new Clash video. Like always, we do have 3.4 thousand in the balance. Today it's going to be a good session. We're going to start off with a 1,000 gem upgrade, okay? 17 point... No. Let's drop it a bit, okay? Let's go safe. 20, 30%. Please be in, baby. That could easily be a hit, guys. Okay, that's in, which is very good. That's a good start to the recording. Hopefully, you guys are doing absolutely amazing. Myself, I'm pretty good. A back-to-back here would definitely not hurt me. That is nowhere nearby. Hey, we're gonna drop 100 on bait and green, and we're up 100 gems, okay? We are up 100 gems. That's money as well. Hopefully, the whole session, we just go profit, have a great one, and just go insane, man. Green or bait here would be beautiful. It is, nowhere near of any of them. Okay, actually, I never do tiles. Maybe we actually try that today, okay, guys? I never do this, but hopefully, maybe that's good. Who knows? Let's do this, okay? Let's do play. And let's see how that goes. But yeah, guys, before we get too far in, like always, we give away 3.5 thousand gems every single week for the people who are supporting me and my code Hydra. So if you do want to support me and, you know, hop on that code and you get access to the beautiful leaderboard. It's one of the biggest ones on site. So, you know, if you want to get some juice yourself, definitely use that code. What is going on here, man? Why are we not hitting anything? Clash, we're going to go down to 3.35. There we go. First one, 30 gems. Okay, 30 gems again. Let's do 250s, guys. Imagine like 10,000 next year's 50k. Oh, okay, 4. No, 5. We got 5. Nice. Okay, let's do the last 61. Oh my god, I didn't even... Oh, okay. Hold up, 71. Oh my god, one more, please. Last one. Oh, yes. 71 again. I mean, holy smokes, guys. This might be the no method, dude. Okay. Oh, my God. Imagine. Oh, no. We're getting cucked. Okay, we're out. Hey, that's pretty fucking good, dude. There was just a green. Fuck me in the ass, dude. We should have had that. We're gonna drop another 100 on here. But guys, today has been a good day for me. I had a lot of shit happen. I was down in shopping. I did a lot of shopping today, actually. So got some new clothes, got some new socks, dude. I don't know why. Probably some of you guys have the same issue. Like, my socks just disappeared, dude. I don't know where, but they're just gone. Upgrade. Can we start here? It's another miss. Okay, we just ripped a lot there. Hey, no, we get baited here as well. I don't know how to feel about that, dude. We are up, but I feel like we could have been up a lot more if these upgrader just hit, man. Come on, last one, and we actually move into battles, please, dude. Guys, this upgrader on here is disgusting, dude. Last one, swear to God. Yeah. I don't know, dude. We're kind of already back to break even with a great run, but it's like, what is going on lately, man? We just get cocked on the upgrader. Well, let's do some Hydra community case. You guys know these have insane good potential. Hopefully, we're gonna win some of this, but who knows? Let's see. Normal mode is on. Okay, 900 gems. Hopefully, we win the first one. That would at least be great, but let's see, man. Let's see. I mean, gem spins topside. If they hit bottom, it's gonna be sad times. Okay, nothing so far, but hey, we're gonna see, okay, guys. As well, if you're not in that motherfucking Discord server, we give away money every single day. So if you are not in there, man, you're definitely missing out, okay? I just gotta tell you so. You're definitely missing out. And now, let's see a pull topside. Okay, nothing at all, dude. I don't know how to feel about that, to be honest. It's a little rough. Come on, dude, please stick that. Okay, I actually thought that was going down. Guaranteed Desert Hydra. I don't even know if this is like a communicates for me. Come on, gold. Okay, I mean, that is not even the worst one. It's the second worst one, but we do take that. 1.4k up. Let's just not lose that. Oh, okay. Oh my God, this case is actually good, though. Oh, there's a lot of shit in here as well, though. 1 gold, please. Oh boy, 2 fucking reds. Is that both? It's like the top 2 worst tick or pulls ever. Okay, last case. Just don't shaft me. Oh, guys. Oh, no. There's no shot this is a 1%, right? This is a 10% case. We do not see the Wild Lotus. It goes down, please, no. Fine. We good. We good. That's nice. It's a small juicer. It's nothing crazy, but it is indeed a little something which we do take, okay, guys? But make sure to do the fucking community cases, okay? There's good juice to get if you do create them. I love opening them as well, okay? So it's a crazy one. Crazy jackpot is on for this one. Come on, 5 rounds. I'm going way too crazy, but yeah, dude, sun has been good lately, but there's also been a lot of wind. So like, for the first time I was out yesterday, I actually froze while being out, and typically I would never do so, but I don't know what happened or what went on. I actually froze, dude, and like, oh my god, stick. No way, dude. Oh no, that would have been so beautiful. It's a 10% or so. It was definitely possible. Come on, I've never done this case. We triple pull. We just triple pulled, dude. I like this a lot. We just triple pulled, man. Oh, we have no chance. And it's a Huntsman Sapphire. Oh, wow. We're down to 4%. We need the multiple. Triple pull bottom side now. We're fair. Hydra dream so big. Oh, wait, guys. Last case is 7% down here. And we actually have percent, please. Oh my god, Lord. Nope. Nothing. Well, we have 10%, guys, and this is it might just basically be money back. Look for a snipe. Why could this actually be a snipe though? Oh wow, wow, run that shit back. Wow, that should have been us, dude. Oh wait, no, want to see you running that shit back, dude. If we could have profit today, that would actually be very great. I'd really appreciate that, but we had a good start, but it's kind of been going downhill on the balance here. Come on, jam spinners. Oh man, please, dude, come on, give us a gem spin, dude. Like, actually give us a gem spin. But guys, my video started to get into algorithm again, so I'm very happy about that. If you guys, you know, want to support me, hype the videos, drop a comment, drop a like, watch it through always, because if I win, I might be doing giveaways. You never know, okay? So there's why, or that's why you always gotta, you know, stay tuned, stay active. Come on, bottom side. Go down, you piece of fucking garbage, mate. Hydra boobs. I do have some boobs myself, so please, bottom side. Nothing. We have one gem spin throughout the whole battle. This is just not even close to money back. But blue pink, I mean, we would definitely take that. Stop, please. Okay, thank god. That's like what, 500, 600. Okay, we're down 800 gems here, man. What do we do? You guys fucking enjoyed the video. We're going crazy for this one. No jackpot, no nothing. We just need bottom side pulls. 16 rounds, please, man. Pray for your community cases to be insane. If top side pulls, I'd be very sad, okay? Imagine we pulled on this shit. I would actually have maybe jumped off my fucking house roof, okay? Who knows? But please, stick that, dude. Like, these pulls make so much up. Like, oh man, a pull in this case called Hydra would be insane. Look at this. Just don't topside me. Come on, dude. How many do we have? One more of them? Yes, we have one more. Please, bottom side here. This would have such a good lead for us. Just maybe in another timeline we would have gotten that, but it's really not looking good, guys. We might have some issues. Come on, bottom side, man. Okay, one third of the way through. This has to pay 7.5 thousand gems for money back. We are not even on our first gem spin. Yeah, please go down. You fucking baiter. You fucking baiter. Oh, the Desert Hydra here would really hurt us. Please not, bro. Go down. No, it sticks. 2.7 fucking K. I mean, compared to the battle value, we should be able to make a comeback, but we need pulls, dude. How have we not pulled one spin halfway through? Come on, dude. Flash, do not do it like this. Hydra 13%. I have to check. There's potential to drop, and he pulls again. I'm falling apart, dude. Why, man? Why, dude? The red. 900. Well, we're down 3.7 thousand gems. Where's our pulls? We have a few of these. Come on, bottom side this time. Stick that. I mean, down would have been good. Okay, guys, look for... Oh, wow. This gold is so bad. We need the Gungnir right fucking now, please. Oh, no. It's so close to the Gungnir. It's insane. Well, that helps us a bit. We're only down 2.3K. Come on, another gem spin for us. Guys, I am like, it pisses me so badly off, and this is gonna be like the Gungnir now. It's not okay. I'm not even stand up. What am I saying? I'm gonna sit back and relax and just hope for the best here. Dude, why, man? Imagine the 210,000 gem blue gem. I didn't even know what I would do, dude. Okay, it's not, but 700. Yeah, we're down 3.4 thousand gems, guys. We need like an insane ticket. Come on, do it here. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh my god, this case is actually good though. Gold, White Lotus, Talon Ruby, and we're back, please. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Oh, fuck. Guys, I might have to stand up now. We're up like 900 gems, please. Clash Gods, this is profit. Please, gem spin bottom side. No. Oh, it's cocked, dude. We're up 500 gems. Please just be pink. Oh my god, dude. 500. We're down like we're actually down 100 gems. Oh, fuck. Please, man. Please. Oh, no, dude. Oh, my heart, bro. My actual heart. This is like, it's so close. You don't even understand, dude. Like, it is so close. Please have us a pull bottom. I think we lost. I think we actually lose with these two pulls. Wow, it's insane. We got cocked. I think we lost with those. Wait, let me calculate. This goes together. That's 5.7. So 5.820, 5.820. This is 5.9, right? 5.96. Dude, the two pulls might have actually done the difference for us. That is just insane, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. That is very sad to be witnessed. Sad day for Hydra, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.